Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Everyday. And in this video we will be seeing see about Git Rebase. So in the last video we saw about Git recursive merge or Git non fast forward merge, right? So in this video we are going to see Git Rebase, and we will discuss about the scenarios where we will use Git Rebase. So again, in this situation as well, we have the master branch where we will be having 2 commits. Then we will create a new branch out of our master branch, and we'll create a new commit into our master branch, and we will rebase our new branch to our master branch, and we'll see what is the difference between rebase and a recursive commit. So let's head back to our VS Code. So I have this folder created, Git Rebase. I'll initiate it with Git. Now again, as usual, I'll create a new folder, master, and I'll create a new file, m1.txt. Now let's commit this file, git add dot and git commit -m will add the commit message as m1, right? Then again create a new file, m2.txt. again commit this one. I'll write git add dot and git commit m2, right? Clear this part and let's create our new branch. So git branch, new branch, and git checkout new branch. So we are in our new branch. Then we will create our new branch folder, and we'll create a file b1.txt, right? So we will add this one and we'll commit this, commit -m with the commit message of b1. Now let's switch to our master branch. Now I'll add another commit to our master branch, the m3 commit. And let's add this and commit this with message m3. So let's check the log. Graph. Right, so we have m1, m2 and m3 commit. Now again switch back to our new branch, git checkout new branch. We'll clear the terminal and I'll add a new commit of mb2 here, new file b2.txt. okay, I'll add this file and we'll commit this with a commit message of b2. So now let's log the commits, right? Git log. So we have m1, m2 commit, and we have b1 and b2 commit. We will see about these commit messages as well. So we can create a new terminal here where we are going to merge our or rebase our master with the new branch. So now let's again check back to our master branch and write git check out master. Now we are in our master branch. Now what I am going to do is I'll write git rebase and I'll write my message of new branch, the branch name, right? I'll hit enter. Now the message that I got is successfully rebased and updated refs head master, right? So we have our branch here and we have our master here. Now the main difference comes when I log this graph. Now you see the difference. So we had our m1 commit, we had our m2 commit. Now what rebase does is after the merge, right? So we had our commit new branch created at this point. Now what Git Rebase did, it took our branch B1 and B2 commits from our branch and it inserted that in our point where we have created that new branch, and then after that it put M3 and head there. So if you see, the B1 and B2 are inserted at the same point when the new branch was created, right? So if you see, first M1 was created, then M2 was created, then we have B1, B2 and M3. Whenever we create a Git Rebase, it doesn't provide you with the commit message. So if I show you the difference between the recursive merge and the rebase, then in our recursive merge, whenever the branch was being merged with the master branch or vice versa, then after the latest commit of the branch, the merged branch or the branch to be merged, the commits of that branch were added there, right? So in this case, after the M3, the latest commit of the master branch, the B1 and B2 were added and we had a commit message here. But in case of Git Rebase, it is being rewritten. That is, first B1 and B2 was added, then M3 was created, and then the head is pointing to that branch, right? So Git Rebase rewrites the Git history. So that's the reason it is not recommended to rebase in your master branch, as it can create confusion. It rewrites the history, right? So where it is recommended to use rebase. So now I did this rebase on my master branch, right? So if you have a local branch, so let's shut this down, okay, and I'll write git check out new branch. Okay, so I'm in my new branch. Let's add another file here, new file called v3.txt, and we will commit this. Git add dot git commit -m with v3.txt. Let's keep it v3. Now our master branch is ahead of this v3 branch. Okay, so I'll log this, git log graph. Okay, so in our master branch now we have an M3 commit, and we have merged our new branch with master as well, but our feature branch is not in sync with the master branch, right? So let's say I'm working on this new branch and you have done some changes on the master branch, want to push it to master, or if I have some conflict, then what I need to do is first I will have to merge that master into my branch, and then I'll have to push it to the master branch, right? So in that case, whenever I will merge the master branch into my branch, I'll create a new commit. Then again, when I will push it to master branch, then again I will create a new commit message, right? So the thing here we need to keep in mind is the new commit message. So to prevent that, I can, in my local branch or in my own branch, I can write git rebase master, right? So now our master and new branch is in sync. We'll clear the console and we'll write git log graph. Now if you see, we have M1 M2 commit, we have B1 B2 commit, then we have M3 commit, and then we have B3 commit, right? So this is a rebase. We didn't add a new commit here. So if you want to see difference between non-recursive and this branch, then you can check out the non-fast forward or the recursive merge video, right? So if I go back to my new master branch, right, I'll go back to git check out master, right? Now I want to merge my local branch with my master branch. Now my feature branch doesn't have that B3 file in my master, right? So instead of rebase, if I do git merge new branch, then you see it's a fast forward merge. Now let's log it. So again, if you want to check out the fast forward merge, you need to check out the first video of this series about the fast forward merge. But if we had any commit in our master branch and we wanted to merge our own branch with the master branch, then it would had create a new commit message as we had seen in the video on the recursive merge. So that is the difference we need to keep in mind. Like in Rebase, a new commit is not created and the branch commits are added to the point where the branch was created, right? And in the recursive merge, the branch commits are added after the latest commit of the master branch, and then a commit message is created, right? So this is the main reason between merge and rebase, where to use merge and where to use rebase, right? So that's it for this video. I'll create another video on cherry pick as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.